Okay. We're getting up. I was awake for a whole 2 seconds before this. I just took this mask off and my allergies are like at 11. I did not sleep last night. I kept on going on and off. I don't know why. I need therapy about it. But we're not going to think about that right now, because why would I take care of my mental health when I'm about to take care of my mental health with a vacation? Mini vacation with the boys. So on the cabin, so I have everything's over here charging right now. Just a mass of wires. I don't know how to fix this. Like, what do you guys do? What do you do about every peaching wire? For everything. Everything needs a cord. Everything needs a little charge cube. I miss batteries. I don't care if that makes me sound old. I miss batteries. Ugh. Speaking of old, oh my gosh, we're looking rough this morning because I didn't sleep. I need to pack because we're leaving in 2 hours. As I stand here trying to contemplate being alive. I don't understand why I can't sleep. Every time I've ever had a test or an exam, an appointment, anything that requires me to get up earlier than I normally do, even if it doesn't require me to get up much earlier than I normally do, I just can't sleep. But yeah, I gotta fix it. I need to take care of this. So let's take care of this. I just realized I don't even have enough water for the plethora of things I need to take. This is not fitting. We'll just go to a bigger I was going for 2 nights. I need this for 2 nights. Oh. Okay, it's my sleeping mask and its charge cord. I'm just gonna leave it attached. Then we gotta have charge cord for the GoPro or simulated GoPro. We'll go ahead and put a battery in there right now. have the strap. I gotta get my attachment piece. Got the waterproof casing. Oh, and I'm getting my sage on. I'm saging everything.
Come on, Will.
We're starting. We're in the car and we're over here going, yeah, we can't do this. We could not do this in one vehicle. Not only because it's a tight space back here, but also because these people can't get along for 5 seconds. We are adventuring off to the grocery store to begin with the start of our adventure, gentlemen. Huzzah!
We're not just sideswipe people on the right side.
I'm sick of you people! If you make one more pun!
Too much noise for one deaf guy.
Here we go! First part of the trip going forward. We got our cabin trip done. We're doing all the things. So we're gonna be heading off soon. Got the stuffs. We're all packed in 3 cars. This car is full of the firewood.
Hey, let's go, person. Oh, I can't make that. I probably could have. Whatever. I'll wait.
Would have been a fucking tight one. Would have been a butt clencher.
I think it took us a little longer than we intended in Walmart, and I think it's partially my fault.
We were there for almost 2 hours.
Well, we kept trying to remember where we needed stuff. I fell asleep, and we just got here. I kind of just woke up and but we're here. Beautiful little cabin. And I'm all alone. I guess they decided to just let me nap. I don't know how long we've been here. Oh, well, their trunks are still open, so it couldn't have been that long. Okay, so we were just unloading stuff, but look. So this is, and then this is gorgeous. That's all part of the property. The dock, all of that's gorgeous. And we have this beautiful place.
I want to go upstairs like the big ass window.
I know, isn't that beautiful? Up there. We have this whole porch. The owner stopped by, to greet us. He just lives around the way, and he was like, make sure you don't litter for insurance reasons. Their grill's here, which makes perfect sense. But look at all of this. There's a little swing. Oh, I gotta show you this. Look at this. Is a hedgehog by this floor plan. And we have this whole, look at this. My mother would love this big porch. Look at this, Mom. It's lovely. And this is home for the next couple days. I'm so excited. And then you have this area, which can be opened and closed if you needed to. We're gonna go downstairs. This woodwork is amazing. Oh, we got another pretty, we were told that these are just decoration. These are not for use. We got these. This is beautiful, like the little sitting area. Oh, look out here. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Oh, I love the rock pillars. Oh.
Yeah, get to the side. Get this room. Get the fuck out. I'll fix your ass up.
Look at this view, Andrew.
We gotta figure out who's getting where.
Or the little chipmunk that was just sitting there looking at us.
Oh my god. I love these so much. I want these. Look at this. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Beautiful. Oh, we got to get up there. That's so beautiful. It wraps all the way around. That's gorgeous. Love. So this is the other side. They were arguing over the downstairs bedroom because it has no window, so it's super dark. I wear an eye mask, so I don't care. This. Oh, and there's a swing over here too. This would be a great area to do yoga. I can't wait. Oh, I haven't even been here that long. I still have a while to go and I already don't want to leave.
Honestly, I don't care how expensive this is. I think if we do a cabin trip, we should get this one again.
This is nice.
I don't care if it's just me.
It's beautiful. So here we are, just enjoying ourselves. And here's the little picnic area. This is so beautiful. I guess since I'm so used to living in like a more suburban area. Look, this is a barrel table. Look at the barrel table. Got a picnic table. Lovely little fire pit with lots of chairs. Oh, look at the little fountain. I didn't see the little fountain. There was a fountain.
Alright, everybody, get a drink. We're all going to gather around the fireplace and we're going to do a little bit of a huzzah. We're not at one.
Fuck yeah, we are. Well, I think
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be alcohol.
Nah, it's gonna be alcohol.
It's gonna be alcohol.
It's gonna be alcohol.
Look, Nathan has this.
Would everyone like?
This is our
Would
musician.
everyone like apple crown?
Nathan brought his guitar. We're so excited. There's a face in the tree. So now we're coming up. This is the dock. This is gorgeous. I love this. I love it. Absolutely would rebook this. Look how great. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, you can see the little fishies coming up. Wow. It's even better in person. There's also a little kitchenette down here. This is this bathroom. Oh, look at this. It's a jetted tub with a standing shower. Look at this tile. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the bedroom that they're arguing about wanting. It's the big one that has no windows. Oh, and a little mini porch swing. My heart. Andrew's already getting his fishing time in. They want to figure out dinner already, and I'm like, why?
Figure out what?
Dinner?
Yeah, because he caught himself in his gill. Ooh, holy fuck. Yeah, you gotta chill out, buddy, or I can't save your ass. Yeah.
It'll just take it and do this on the front of it and it'll pull down the thing.
Oh, fuck, he's gonna slip right out of my fucking hand every time.
Damn.
Yeah, Andrew!
We might need a net, don't we?
We have one behind you.
You need the net?
I want to get that net, you know. But I'll let you take the wormhole if you just cooperate. There we go.
Woohoo! Look at that! Look at that huge catfish.
Oh,
Good
buddy.
job, Andrew.
All right.
So peaceful. All right. So that's the first, like, 40 minutes that we've been here. Look how long this bad boy is. The guy told us that he had big ones in here.
Yeah, that's a...
These are the first ones. Waiting for the next one to come up. We can fit about 3 on here. And now we know there's only 1 pan. And Andrew's very convinced he wants to come back here already. I think it's gorgeous. So we now know that if we do, and we plan on doing pizzas or anything again, that we'll need to bring an extra pan. So. Alright, so I finished making the macaroni salad. I made up the marshmallow fruit salad. And then over here we decided that we're going to do pizzas tonight. So we just got basic stuff, just pepperoni. We didn't go crazy with stuff because we're like, we don't need to. So we have the pizzas, the pizza sauce, and this. And the oven is just getting done. So this is nice. And we did finally find the trash can. We had to open every drawer before we found it. But yeah, we're gonna get started on pizza making. I don't know what the guys are doing. They're up there doing something, but oh, look how beautiful. Like, just gorgeous view out this window. Beautiful cabin's got some sleigh bells. Looking out here. Oh, so pretty. Will got a fishy.
Hey, stop struggling. It's fucking suffocating, dog.
Time to put these bad boys in the oven. Woo! Yeah. Timer time. Occurs to me I need to find oven mitts. Maybe this drawer. Ooh! Good guess, Fallon. Oh, there's towels in here too. I found hand towels. They're in that drawer.